I'm Chris.
Hi, and I'm Morgan, and we've been married almost 7 years coming up next month, and we were able to pay off around $124,000 in just over 3 years.
And just some of the tips that have worked for us was that we made a list of our debt and from smallest to biggest, and we really attacked the smallest debt first, and we made the minimum payments on all the others. So everything extra went to that debt, and then after we paid it off, we really were able to celebrate that success.
And snowball to the next one.
Yeah, and so it just started getting bigger and bigger. And then the second thing is sounds really easy, but just to make a budget and make it together. We both had to agree on it, and we could kind of make every dollar have an assignment, and we agreed on it, and we'd hold each other accountable.
Yeah.
More so, the accountability went on my part because I'm the spender and she's the saver.
Definitely the saver.
But I think that works great with us. So use it to your advantage. And also, the hardest part is probably saying no.
Yeah.
We're not entitled to anything. We don't deserve anything. And if it wasn't in the budget, we didn't do it.
Sometimes we had to tell our friends, no, we can't go out to eat. Let's make something at home together.
Taco night at our house.
Yeah, so it was a lot of compromise, but it has paid off, and now we can do those things now a little bit more. But the main thing that I took away from this experience is just to live simply, live in a way that you can allow your money to work for you. You can save it, and it's more of an asset to you than just having this lifestyle of spending in every aspect of your life. So the more that you're able to simplify your life and not buy the things that you don't need and only buy the things that you need will set you up for success later in life. And so we're excited for the new chapter of what's next. Mm-hmm. And
no payments.
Yeah, yay! But if we can do it, you definitely can do it. So if you want to pay off your debt, stay encouraged because you can definitely do it.
Yeah, kick Sally Mae out of your house.
Right.